Question number 23, set 1. First part the answer is C, second part the answer is D, third part the answer is A, fourth part the answer is B, fifth part answer is C, sixth part answer is B. Question is, firm has the authorized capital of 1 lakh, equity share of 10 each and issuing 90,000. Issuing, these are issued shares, 90,000. Subscription is received for 82,000. There is a defaulter of 2,000 shares who is paying only rupees 8 and 2 per share is the arrear amount. So these shares are forfeited. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज के अरियर में हाउ मच अमाउंट विल बी डिस्क्लोज्ड. सो देर विल बी नो कॉल्स इन अरियर बिकॉज जिन शेयर्स पे अरियर था दीज शेयर्स आर फोरफिटेड एंड दीज शेयर्स विल बी शोन अंडर शेयर फोरफिटेड अकाउंट. सो नो अरियर विल बी शोन. सो इट्स आंसर इज नील. Second, after forfeiture, what will be the number of shares? Number of shares, it will be 80,000 because 82,000 shares थे, 2 are being forfeited, so 80,000 are left. Number of in the notes to account, the amount disclosed under share forfeiture will be 16,000 because on 2,000 share 8 per share is received. 2,000 multiplied by 8 is 16,000. In the notes to account, amount disclosed under issued capital will be 9 lakh because firm is issuing 90,000 equity shares. So issued capital is 9 lakh. Fifth is, in the forfeiture account, what will be shown in share forfeiture account will be shown in notes to account in balance sheet under subscribed capital के अंडर में ये शो होते हैं. The amount of share capital disclosed, share capital कितना disclose होगा? On 80,000 shares, full amount that is 10 rupees is being received, that is 8 lakh we are receiving, and on 2,000 shares इनको हम फोरफिट कर रहे हैं और इन पे 8 रुपीज़ रिसीव हुए हैं तो वी आर रिसीविंग 16,000. सो टोटल वी आर रिसीविंग 8,16,000.